Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing my Amazon unboxing. Let's get started with the unboxing first, and then I'll get in, as I unbox things, then I'll get into what I've been working on. This is my first Amazon box I'm going to be unboxing. I have three ones here, and it's, yeah, open it and open it to another box. Okay, another box. Okay, so I know what this one is. What I've been doing is starting a business. I create body products, like, well, bath bomb relaxations, shower steamers, and I'm doing really well. Like, people have been buying my stuff, so thank you guys if you actually bought some stuff from me. I'm gonna put all the information down below so that way you guys can contact me anyway. Just leave if you're interested in anything. I've been actually selling out a lot, so I haven't been. That's what's been keeping me from recording like I had set a go, but I'm like, okay, I just getting myself back together, so I'm gonna be like setting schedules. I decided to create my own. I've used them on me, so I know they're, great products. So I ordered some different, so these are the bath bomb modes, and these things are huge. So I will be doing some shower steamers out of half just to do an extra large one, and yay. So these are the huge ones here, and then I got different shapes. So I got some star shapes. So happy because I'm really getting this started like I always wanted to have my own business. So look, that's the star shapes here. So we're gonna be doing some for different baskets. I love beauty and things, so I'll be doing baskets. I already got like orders for Mother's Day, so I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch for Mother's Day. I didn't do Easter baskets, but I will be doing all the baskets. I sold out of all of mine for Valentine's Day. I've just been creating like everything that's coming to me. I'm just actually starting to create them, and you guys been loving them. So thanks for whoever bought my stuff out. Like, I'm loving you guys. So here we go. And then there's some smaller shaped ones, and these are just the regular round ones. And then I got heart ones, what I absolutely wanted. And these will be like I would do bath bombs for couples and for anniversaries, things like that. So I have a lot of ideas that I've been doing already. The sealers that you seal them in and everything like that. So been working on that. And why I haven't been uploading like I should, but I'm getting my schedule back on track. So yeah. So this is just one. I have, like I said, I have three. So next up, okay, let's go with this one first. Okay, so this is my cosmetic eyeshadow powder. These are the glitter ones. And yes, you guys, this is in teal. I got a whole set of them. So these are my glitter. I'm like getting up my collection. A girl has been just rolling. I love like creating people, bringing out their highlights. Like, you're beautiful just the way you are. Don't let nobody tell you you're not pretty. You're your own person. You're your only person that looks like you. So you are amazing. But if you like makeup and to bring out some of your features, just highlight them out, it's okay. That's the only thing I do. I look beautiful without makeup, and you guys do. You're your own creation. Don't let nobody tell you that. Why you wear makeup? Yet it is. We're not even going to tolerate that foolishness, because people say that to me all the time. You're so beautiful. Why do you wear makeup? This is me enhancing what I love to do. I love to play in makeup. It doesn't make me ugly because I wear makeup. I mean, whoever thought of that? But it just gives you that boom, something that you can feel good about yourself, something that makes you accentuate your look. So yeah, I just had to say that because I get that all the time, and I'm pretty sure you guys too. We don't tolerate foolishness. We all amazing and beautiful and pretty without it. But it helps us and makes us feel good. It gets you into something that you like, and I feel good when I talk about makeup, and I feel good when you guys respond to me and we're talking about different things. I mean, it makes me happy. So do what you love. If you love all the makeup, do it. And then let me know, and I'll follow you if you have a channel, and we can talk back and forth. Because this is what I love, you guys. So yeah, I had to just rent that out. All right, let's go back to the makeup. The eyeshadow glitter. It's called Glamour Glitter, and I ordered this from Amazon. I saw these, and somebody was asking me, oh, because I did a look for a few girls. They were going to events, so I said, okay, I'm gonna get that glitter. So this is the teal color, which is really cute. I ordered some that I'm gonna give away a few of these because I have some colors that were given to me. This is the silver. Oh, look at that shimmer in the silver. It's like that color that gives back. This is the gold. Yes, that is cute. That pink honey. Yes, you can create something amazing with that. And this is the white. Oh gosh, the white, you can outline this with something nice. Like just do a streak over right over your eye when you come out with your wing. Do that thing. Do a glitter line right there. It'll situate your eyes perfectly. So I got some ideas with things come to me, where to put the glitter and stuff, like corner eye it, the white glitter. That's when you know you love makeup, because ideas come to you when you're just looking at the glitter. So yeah, this is the white. And this is purple. All right, right there. So I will be giving away a few of these because I do have a few colors that were given to me, and from a girl that, like, you know, she's like, oh, you do makeup, let me send you some stuff. So I do have that. So I will be giving away a few colors to one of you amazing people. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing with that. But I wanted to share that with you. I get excited when I talk about makeup, right? So then I had to do that one. So let's go to this packet. This is Dragon. Oh, this is the glitter glue. Dragon Rainy. And this is 3. It's a pack of 3. And this is the glue for the glitter glue. So you got to have the glue before you put the glitter on. Next, we're going to the medium box here. I actually did a video that I will link right here. Be up in one of those corners of my Christmas one. So that way you could see all the ingredients and creating your own. I actually have, that's just the basic. I actually have a lot of different techniques and different ways to doing these. I love making soaps. I used to, you know, started making soaps since I was in high school, and then I kind of went away from it, but then decided, okay, let me go back to it. This is something I've always done. I break out a lot, so I have to have my own stuff. So this is a reason why, and I always wanted a business, and I knew, you know, eventually things would go. These are just bath bomb molds. I got all like different kinds of them. So these are just some more molds, and they're like different sizes. So medium, large, and everything like that. Yeah, it's a whole rack of it. Full to the top. Next, it's like this. Oh, these are my colorants. So I'm stacking up all my colorants, and like my favorite, the scent that sells out the most is my lavender. And so the purplish red. So these will be helping me to make my lavender. They're like, I can't, once I get lavenders in, they sell like automatically. So I need to order me some more of these. Great purple. So I will be creating all of it, honey. Just a few more, which is saffron, that color, and that's more on the reddish orangish color. What else we have here? Blue, then sunset red is really pretty. Just wanted to kind of tell you guys about what I'm working on and what I'm doing. I love it. I love what I do. I mean, hopefully you guys sooner or later buy some. You guys do get a discount on whatever you order. And when I come out with new things and I want people to try, I will be calling my sweeties. You guys are amazing. And when you guys would tell me everything, right? And then I have some of my favorite scents. I got requests. I do get requests. So I do bath bombs by request. So if somebody has an anniversary and you want to surprise your wife, I can do whatever you like. That's what I really want to do. But I've been selling what I've been creating. You guys been buying my scents. I want you guys to call me and say, hey, create this for me. That's what I really want to do. I want to create your ideas, your stuff. So that's my whole thing by doing this. Here are the scents here. Coconut, strawberry, cucumber melon, lilac, which is a flowered scent, which will be great. I got another strawberry. I think they made a mistake, but I love strawberry. Gardenia, right there. I think they did, because they gave me 2 strawberries. Okay. Yeah, and I'll just keep it. Okay. And the last item in this box came in this, and this is Simple List. And we're gonna open this. So here we go. Oh, okay, this is my heat gun. So I do seal my bath bombs and, you know, label them. So this is my heat gun I ordered. These are my seal parts that go to my heat gun. I want to just encourage you guys, if you have dreams of getting something started and do it. Don't wait, don't hold off. Start your stuff, even if you have to just do it when you get home, take your whole evening. Go ahead and make your dreams come true. Let's get to the last box, which is I'm excited about. My big Amazon box. And can you guess what it is? It is, ta-da, my ring light. I've been wanting a ring light. I have 2 spotlights now, but I've been asked to do so many eyebrow tutorials. I needed to get, and I always tell you guys, I need to get my ring light first. So I finally found the one. I got this one for $94. And then I had an Amazon gift card that I was holding off on. I wanted to do like a big order and then get, you know, free shipping. So I did finally go ahead and bite the bullet and pay the money to get it. I feel like it's important to be able to create the looks I want to create and be able to do tutorials so you guys can see and have the right lighting. I mean, not that my spotlight haven't been doing okay, but I think with the ring light, it will be able to zero in. I'm so excited to have it. I will go ahead and set up, and then we can get into creating all of these amazing looks I have in my hair. You see, I have my glitter already. Girl is good and ready to go. The large tripod, the Bluetooth remote shatter. This is really good because then I can be pushing this and this when I'm recording and everything like that. So yes, if you're interested in me creating you any of bath bombs, all the links will be below. I do sell on Etsy, and I also, you guys are my sweeties, so you can contact me directly if you want something custom. That's what I've been working on, and I've absolutely been selling out. I think everybody should go through and follow your dreams and do what you want for you. Yeah, purchase. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like it, and hit the notification button because surprises will be coming. You need to be notified to get that. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I do a weekly product of the week, and then you guys can respond and tell me what you're loving in the week, which that will give me ways to interact with you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.